Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be trying out these Pittsburgh vehicle dollies from Harbor Freight. Thanks for joining me. My son is away in Germany for the summer, and I will be storing his car here. And so I need to kind of push it back out of the way in the shop. So I picked up a couple of these, and now we're going to see how they work. Alright, so it does need to be assembled. Here's the casters. There's the nuts and washers, and then of course the frames. So I'll go ahead and get this assembled. So I just need to jack up the car and then slide the dolly under each wheel. Alright, so I just need to do the same on both front and rear tires here. Now I've got it up on all four of the dollies, so I should be able to slowly maneuver that back in the corner where it needs to go. So we'll see how easily this goes here.
What was that?
That's me. Okay.
There we go.
Okay, now the front has to come this.
I can get it. You don't get so much grip in Crocs. Why don't you pull the cart out
Yeah.
and spin it more?
Alright, so the Chrysler 200 is a much larger car than I thought it was initially, but we did get it moved back here. It's taking up a little more room than I thought it was going to, but it's in the garage, it's out of the way, and those wheel dollies worked. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.